The first full week of the unofficial start to the holiday shopping season will be a busy one for retail earnings. Before the bell on Wednesday, Express will release its latest results. The men and women's apparel retailer has managed to register an average positive earnings surprise of 6.1% over the last 4 quarters, so traders will look to see if this trend continues. Later, retailers Aeropostale, New York & Company, and Wet Seal will report. Wet Seal had previously planned to release results the week prior, but the company decided to hold its earnings call after Thanksgiving weekend, allowing management to comment on the start of the important holiday shopping season. Before the bell on Thursday, we'll get the second estimate of gross domestic product for the third quarter. The first estimate showed that GDP grew faster than expected at 2.8%, largely due to a bigger than expected boost from inventory accumulation. That's compared to a 2.5% pace of growth in the second quarter. We'll also hear from Dollar General. While the dollar store chain has taken steps to drive growth, like selling tobacco products, shareholders will be paying attention to see if that's weighed on margins. Grocery retailer Kroger will report as well, and traders will likely focus on the company's plans to invest $150 million in northern Texas and how that's impacting its balance sheet. Men's apparel retailer Jose Bank will also report, and many will be paying attention to details the company offers about Men's Warehouse's $55 a share offer to acquire the company. Teen retailers Five Below, Pacific Sunwear, and Zumiez will report as well. Zumiez, a retailer of sports-related teen apparel, reported impressive comparable store sales for the 4 weeks ended November 2nd. Its 1.2% rise in comps compared to a 0.6% rise in the 4 weeks prior could set the company up to be well-positioned heading into the prime holiday shopping season. Before the open on Friday, we'll get the non-farm payrolls report for November. After employers added 204,000 jobs in October, widely beating estimates of an increase of 120,000, a strong jobs report for November could spur increased speculation that the Federal Reserve may begin scaling back its bond buying program sooner than expected. Closing out the week will be retailer American Eagle Outfitters. The company recently said it expects to post better than expected earnings for the fiscal third quarter of 19 cents, up from its week prior guidance of 14 cents to 16 cents a share. In New York, I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.